Today's recipe: chicken tikka crepe roll, crispy outside and soft inside. Try at home and I am sure you will love it. Boneless chicken, 500 grams. Cut small pieces. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Yogurt 1/3 cup. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Soy sauce 1.5 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1/2 teaspoon. Tikka masala 2 teaspoon. Mix well. Salt to taste. Rest for 20 minutes. Crepe preparation: flour 1 cup. Yogurt. Eggs 2. Salt to taste. Water. Mix well. Make a smooth batter. Perfect consistency. Oil 2 to 3 teaspoon. Add marinated chicken. Stir. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Stir. Add chopped onion 1 cup. Stir and mix. Cover for 5 minutes. Done. Making crepes. Cook 2 minutes both sides. Flip. Done. Cook chicken as required. Apply glue. Roll up. All done. Add oil in a pan. Fry them light golden. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Let's taste test. Thanks for watching.